And this year, with the focus on core data and building some data models, since the songwriting tends to go where the technology leads me, it's a little song about data modeling. So we need to switch over to the laptop. Excellent. So hope you like it. There's no catwalk involved in the modeling I do. There's no demand for me to try that kind of modeling too. Some people want a data model for a new application. Don't want to write a lot of code. Simply use configuration to refine your data model with each new iteration as you build a prototype with persistence automation. Some people want the data model but prefer one in fashion. If you data model, that's an interesting passion. You're a dreamer with a schema you can usually cash in. Though you ain't got the looks in your clothes, they are clashing. Modeling man, I'm a modeling man. Let me lay it all out so that you'll understand. You'll have the terminology and concepts at your command, so you can also be a modeling woman or man. Object model, also known as the MOM, describes the data objects that your app acts upon. You design your data model as pretty as you please by adding items to the model known as entities. And entities are right by me is what a thing's supposed to be. What type, what sort, what class, what kind, whatever you might have in mind. You pick a name, map to a class. Now your model's growing fast. You work some more and come to grips with attributes and relationships now, baby. Now you're modeling too. I think, baby, one more for a modeling man too. An attribute or relationship is known as a property. No, not the kind that they use in Monopoly. Use terms with precision. Don't use them sloppily or confusion will ensue, like episodes of Three's Company. I said a modeling man, I'm a modeling man. Say, are you in modeling? I say, oh yes I am. There's no photographers involved in the modeling I do. I got turned down by everyone I gave my headshot to. Value string, number or date, or a big old blob of data that's contained in some state. You can mark it transient if you don't care about its fate. Otherwise, it will persist in data stores that you create. Two entities can be connected, kind of joined at the hip. The formal name for this arrangement is a relationship. One object references the other, so it can't give it the slip. The inverse reference is maintained for a convenient round trip. I said, I'm modeling man, yeah, I'm a modeling man. They say, are you in modeling? I say, oh yes I am. But don't come knocking if it's rocking in the back of the van. I'm probably wrestling with relationships I don't quite understand. Modeling man, I'm a modeling man. They say, are you in modeling? I say, oh yes I am. It's not too glamorous, you know, that kind of modeling I do. I'd like to see you a supermodel, build the apps that we